Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarikaremba. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So as you can tell from the title, today I am showing you how I got these beautiful passion and remember to comment, like and subscribe. So I'm going to start by parting my hair, and I'm going to use the Shea Moisture jojoba oil and ucuba butter. I don't know how to say this. The laid down lacquer, and that is what I'm going to use because it says it's for protective styles. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And of course I'm also going to use my black elastic bands, and I got these from Clicks. So yeah, now you're just gonna watch me part the hair. Okay, so I'm now going to apply some black castor oil to my rubber bands because that is obviously going to help me to make sure that it doesn't break my hair. So yeah. So I'm going to start by parting my hair using a tail comb. Next, I am tying the rest of my hair together so that it doesn't come in my way. And then I'm going to apply that Shea Moisture laying lacquer that I just showed you. This is going to help me to define the lines better. Next, I'm going to start partitioning my hair into the different parts that I'll be applying the crochet hair, and I'm also going to apply the rubber bands from earlier onto each section. Now I'm going to repeat this step until I have put rubber bands throughout my whole head. So I'm going to continue with this process until I've covered my whole head, as you can see. Okay, so now that I've done my whole head, I'm gonna go in with the hair. Okay, so we are using, oh, can you see that? There we go. So we're using the Darling Passion Twist hair, and I got color number 1, which is black, and I bought this on Style Diva, so I will put a link down below. So basically, let me open it. So this is what the hair looks like. Okay, so this is actually really cool. So the hair is already like curled, and it's like individual strands, like so, that I will crochet on and twist. So for this part I am going to need a crochet needle, like so. So as you can see, it has a hook that opens up like so. Cool. So so I've slowed this part down so that you can see it. So I'm going to firstly put my crochet hook through that partition underneath the rubber band, and then I'm going to open the clasp. Then I'm going to place the hair onto that hook, close the clasp and pull the hair out again. You'll see that I have a little loop attached. Then I'm going to take one strand of the hair and pull it through that loop. Then I'm going to pull both of those strands so that I can create a knot at the base of that rubber band and repeat in my whole head. Next, I'm going to twist the hair together as though I am doing normal twist braids on my head. Then I'm going to repeat. So that is the process. And there you have it. We have a passion twist. So now I'm just going to do the rest of this and I'm going to show you a couple more braids. Now I'm going to take my ORS mousse and I'm just going to apply that to my hair to complete the look. Okay guys, so as you can see, a girl is looking good. Okay, a girl is looking snatched. Can you see me? Like, oh guys, I really haven't felt myself like this in a while, so I'm actually glad I decided to conduct this experiment because it came out well. So yeah, just like a few details that I think you'd want to know. Where did I buy the darling hair? I bought it online. I'm at Style Diva. I will leave a link down below. And yeah, I got it. Okay, so I ordered it on a Thursday and I got it on Monday. So yeah, it was quick. Another thing is I used 1 3/4 packets. So basically this is what was left from the second packet. So yeah, 1 3/4. You can also get it at, you know, your local beauty supply store. So yeah, I hope that was useful. Comment down below if you have any questions. Alternatively, pop me an email, DM me on Instagram at tarikaremba. And thanks for taking the time to watch this. I will see you next time.